What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to review a treadmill from a company called TOPUTURE. This is the TP6. This is a 6-in-1 folding treadmill, which includes an adjustable handlebar and a magnetic remote control. It also includes a 2.5 horsepower motor that runs pretty silent, and I can barely hear it. The TP6 includes 3 adjustable inclines. We have a 1%, 6%, and 12%. This treadmill is currently priced at $279, so the price is right. So let's take a look at all the features, and then we're going to test drive it and find out if it's worth it. But first, let's talk about the setup, because this was surprisingly easy. The TP6 is already assembled inside the box. Just unbox it, remove the styrofoam and packaging, then lay it on the ground, raise the handlebars, snap on the cell phone holder, then plug it in, power it on, and you're ready to go. One more thing, download the FitShow app. This app will connect to the treadmill via Bluetooth. And this setup process only took 10 minutes. One thing to note, this treadmill only weighs 56 pounds. So moving the treadmill from room to room is very easy. And lastly, you can store this against the wall or under the bed or a couch, which is a fantastic space-saving feature. And setup, super quick. Bring it back up. This, plug it in, turn it on, and there you go. And we're off to the races. And one more thing, the handlebars can be adjusted forward or back. And all you have to do is screw the knobs in on the right side and left side to lock it into position. So if you prefer to have the handlebar closer to you, then leave it this way. But for me, I like it further away. That's my personal preference. Also at the front includes 4 controls: speed up, speed down, start stop, and a preset button. Also includes an emergency stop. At the top we have a cell phone or tablet holder. At the bottom we have an adjustment for the incline. One thing to note, when you make the adjustments with the incline, you have to adjust this right here. This keeps it stable on the ground so it's not wobbling, and both sides have this. Another great feature of the TP6 is the speed range. This treadmill goes from 0.6 miles per hour all the way up to 7.5 miles per hour. And I tested the TP6 at maximum speed, and there was no wobble or instability. And that's pretty impressive for a portable treadmill. And you have a large screen at the top of the treadmill that shows the time, speed, calories, and distance. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but it's recommended to get 10,000 steps per day to lower your blood pressure and burn calories. And a really cool cheat code to burn more calories is to set your incline to 6 or even 12%. You can burn more calories in a shorter amount of time. That's why this treadmill is set at 6% incline all the time. The TP6 has dual shock absorption, so you don't get sore joints when you're walking, jogging, or running. And I was a bit worried about this treadmill because I've got bad knees. But running at max speed for over 10 minutes, I had no sore knees. But the best feature about this treadmill is that I can walk while I'm working in my studio. That's right, I can edit videos while I'm walking. It's a 2-for-1. The TP6 also includes a 1-year warranty, and that means there's no worries if something breaks. And the last thing I want to talk about is the max load capacity is up to 300 pounds. So if you're large and tall, this treadmill has got you covered. As far as maintenance goes, there's only one thing you have to do every 3 or 4 months, and that's add a little bit of the treadmill lubricant. And here is a brand I'm using right here, but you can use whatever brand you want. This is about $7 on Amazon. I'll have a link for this. And right here is a reservoir. Right here. Pop this off. And you just squirt some in right here. This. And that's it. Not a whole lot. Put some in there. Put the reservoir cap back on top. What this does, this will lubricate the belt and the motor as far as keeping everything smooth. One thing about these treadmills and walking pads, the motor can burn out on these if you're not applying any kind of lubricant. So every 3 to 6 months, apply some lubricant. If you hear the belt or you hear the motor getting like a winding sound or making some noise, that's a sure sign that you need to add some lubricant. So yeah, go on Amazon, pick up a cheap $7 bottle, and it should last you many, many years. Matter of fact, this probably last me a lifetime. For me, the best feature about this treadmill is the FitShow app that you download and sync to the treadmill using Bluetooth. Once you set this all up, hit quick start, connect, and then we're ready to go. Even the music's pretty cool here. Very motivating. You can see on here the screen is laps. You can also see here on the right other people who are currently working out. So let's go ahead and get this thing going faster. And you can see the lap here, which is really neat. It gives you a sense of accomplishment when you do a lap, so you want to do more laps, obviously. Up top left, you have duration, you have distance, calories, speed, and that's about it. Yeah, the music's definitely motivating for sure. Gets you going. And one more great feature is I pause my workout and I can resume it whenever I want. And guys and gals, I've got a great offer for you right now. Use the coupon code ULTIMATE-TP6 to get 29% off this treadmill. That makes the treadmill less than $200. That's a steal. Unbelievable. This code works for a limited time, so don't wait. With all these great features, there's no reason not to buy it. And remember, get those 10,000 steps a day. Your heart and body will love you for it. And with that, guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And for God's sakes, get on the treadmill and get your steps in.